So we will study today accounting standard, basically accounting standard. Now what is accounting standard and what is the importance of accounting standard? So when we prepare accounting or maintain different companies' financial statement, means profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow and everything, we maintain accounting policies and that policy is based on accounting standard. Now every company in India follow the accounting standard. Why? Because of harmonization, because of uniformity in accounting, right? So, but in India, this accounting standard shifted to index. Accounting standard shifted to index. The question is, why it is shifted? Before it was accounting standard. Now in India we are following Indian accounting standard. The reason is that in India we are following GAAP. GAAP means, what is the full form of GAAP? Anyone? Generally accepted accounting principles. Why it is general? Why it is not uniform? Any answer? Why it is called general? Yes, because general means it's following only in India, not in other countries. Other countries have their own GAAP. For example, US GAAP. Okay? So we are following the generally accepted accounting principles, which is the previous GAAP, and as per that GAAP, we maintain accounting standard. But at present, in other countries, they have different gaps. In other countries they have different gaps, and as per their gaps they maintain their accounts. And which accounting standard they basically follow? Is the IFRS. IFRS. All over world follow IFRS or IAS. Now what is the full form of IFRS? International Financial Reporting Standard. Or IAS means International Accounting Standard. Now think one thing. Suppose in India there are big four companies: Deloitte, PwC, EY, KPMG, and they not only operate in our own country but they operate throughout the world. Not only that, you have Tata companies, Adani companies, Reliance companies. So basically they are MNCs, multinational corporations. Yes or no? Multinational corporations. Now think, if this multinational corporation or multinational companies only follow the accounting standard which is based on Indian GAAP, is it possible to compare with the other countries? Is it not possible? It is not possible because other countries they follow their own GAAP. They follow the accounting standard. The accounting standard name is International Financial Reporting Standard. So it is not similar to accounting standard. It is not similar to accounting standard. There is a difference. But our company operates throughout the world. So if their accounting standard different, their accounting policy different, their financial statement different from each other. Now those who are investing in our country and their accounting standard is different from our accounting standard, then they create a problem. So that's why in 2016 in India, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, this ministry in 2016, they think we should converge our accounting standard with international accounting standard. What is the benefit? If our company's accounting standard match with international accounting standard, then there is no problem for uniformity, harmonization, transparency, accountability, reliability, relevance. Yes or no? So that's why in 2016, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, they converge our accounting standard converged with our accounting standard with the international accounting standard. It means international accounting standard same in India. There is no difference. Now what the name of that? is known. When they converge with the international financial reporting standard or international accounting standard, the name accounting standard shifted to Indian accounting standard. It means the transition from AS to index, and it converged or similar with IFRS. Our Indian accounting standard is similar to your international accounting standard, international financial reporting standard or international accounting standard. So it means when our company, our Indian company operate throughout the world, so there must be uniform result comes out, there is a harmonization will create, there is a transparency will create, yes or no, and relevance, reliability. It means our financial statement, what we prepare, the objective of that is that our financial statement must be transparent and comparable. Must be transparent and comparable. So this is the reason. That's why accounting standard shifted to index. Am I clear, everyone? What is the reason? Why it is shifted? Because accounting standard not fulfilling the condition of international standard. So that's why in 2016, Indian government, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, they think about we should converge with international financial reporting standard. It means our MNCs companies can comparable and transparent with worldwide company. So that's why it is shifted. Now the second condition, which company follow index? Which company? What is the criteria or conditions that company follow index? My question is, every company follow index? Every company follow AS, accounting standard? No. There is a criteria, there is a condition. So what are the conditions, guys? So first condition is that if the company listed or in process of listing, the company which is listed or in process of listing means what? Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. So if any company listed in the stock exchange or in the process of listing in the stock exchange, so that company will follow index, Indian accounting standard. Number one condition. Number two condition, if the net worth is more than equal to 250 crore. If the net worth is more than equal to 250 crore, that company follow Indian accounting standard. So two conditions over there. Number one condition, the company must be listed in the stock exchange. Number two, net worth of that particular company is more than equal to 250 crore or more. 250 crore or more. Now the question is, what is net worth? Yes, you tell me what is net worth? Net worth means basically what we know. Total assets minus total liability. This is our general concept.